I have an Amana NTW4605EW0 washer with lid switch. Can you provide a wiring diagram or list of the wire colors?
Can you guesstimate how old your Amana is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Bought 3 years ago, model NTW4605EW0, S/N#C52033469.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I'm a qualified electronic technician and electrician.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The wires are white, red and blue. I want to jump the lid switch until a new switch arrives so my wife can finish laundry. The switch is 4 days out for delivery.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. There is absolutely no way to bypass the lid switch, I'm sorry to say. Amana has chosen to fight against bypasses for safety reasons. It's not a normal door switch. When the washer starts, it locks the lid, unlocks the lid, then relocks the lid to confirm the latch and switch are working properly. If it doesn't receive a signal within a split second each time the board tells it to do those functions, it faults out and tells you there is an error. There is no way to get your washer running until you replace the lid switch. I'm sorry about the bad news. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay, thanks.
No problem, and sorry about the bad news again.
The phone call was $24. Yet you charges my card $31 for a chat answer. This is bullshit and I would not have provided a 5-star rating. This site will get a negative review on all the sites I can put it on.
A phone call is an additional $24 if you wanted to speak by phone. The site offers that option automatically. I didn't send that, but typically I only recommend selecting that option if I'm walking you through a repair while on the phone.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.